Hey guys, Sevash here with ClinicSync Pro, and if you've been following us with the AI receptionist that we released for Jane, you probably was wondering how you can do it inside Voice AI agent in GHL. So we went ahead and actually built this a snapshot, so it makes it easy for you guys to kind of like understand how you can actually put this together for your clients. So I'm going to do a live demo. Hopefully you can hear my phone and all the stuff, and we're going to go ahead and book an appointment on this demo account. All right, so let's dial in.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. This is Alex. How can I help you today?
I would like to book an appointment.
Sure thing. Let me pull up our clinic information for you. One moment. Got it. What type of service or treatment are you looking to book?
I'm looking to book a 30-minute massage with Zoe at the Village.
All right, a 30-minute massage with Zoe at the Village. When would you like to schedule this?
Anytime tomorrow.
Got it. Let me check availability for a 30-minute massage with Zoe at the Village tomorrow. One moment. The earliest available slot is tomorrow, Thursday, April 2nd at 9 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Does that work for you?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll just need your first name, last name, phone number, and email to complete the booking.
John Appleseed at gmail.com, 0402 756 155.
Thanks, John. Just to confirm, your email is johnapplesed@gmail.com, and your phone number is 0402 756 155. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great, I'm booking that for you now. Just one moment. Your appointment is confirmed.
And as
You're
you
booked
see,
for a 30-minute massage with Zoe Swift at the Village tomorrow, April 2nd at 9.
it got booked in here, and there's no need for setting up any calendar or anything in the GHL. So we're gonna do a snapshot of this. I've never done the voice AI snapshot, so I tried to do the snapshot, and also I'll try to put it on the marketplace for free as well. But the main thing is obviously you can play with the prompt in here. There are a couple of things that you don't want to touch, specifically the segments that it says what we are passing, and then the main juice of the things are in the custom general actions that basically works with the APIs that we have inside the AI receptionist. So you want to make sure that you get those right. But this will be live today, and you should be able to go ahead and download it if you have already purchased the AI receptionist from ClinicSync Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.